Hi there, Chris here, with a Stock Lock Sunday bonus. Actually, turn on that light. Let's see. Move this around a little bit. Should do that before I start, but I'm still playing with it. So this is a Schlage Cutaway. Didn't do a very pretty job on it, but I guess I could polish it out, get scratches out of it. But it's certainly stock. And we're going to try the Lishi on it. So this is a SC4 Lishi. It's good for 6 pins from 0 to 60. No, 0 to 9. So we'll stuff this in there and see if we can get this nice. I want to get it so you can see. Well, let's maybe zoom in. Here we go. Well, maybe you can't see. Dang. Well, let's see. Can you see that? Let's go all the way in. That's better. Okay. Now that I wasted everybody's time. So 5 is springy. I should see, watch what I'm doing, not the camera. 6 is springy. 5 is springy. 4 is not happening. What's happening here? All right. Let's get 1, 2, 3. There we go. 4 is binding. Got a click. Little click out of 5. Little click out of 6. Coming back to 3. Nothing. 2, nothing. 1, nothing. Maybe it's 3. Must have overset something. Oh, there's 6 again. 5. 3 is very springy. Oh, 1's overset. Let's start over. 1, 2, springy. 3 springy. 4 is set. 5 is set. 6 is set. 5 still set, yes. 4 is still set. 3 is set. I think we're on 2, maybe just 1 now. No? 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're open. Okay, so we'll zoom out a little bit. Where is that? I'll move this light away. Take the Lishi out. I guess I could have decoded it. There's a code on the key here. I'm not sure that's right though. So we'll open this up. Uh-oh, had a wreck. That's off, that's off, that's off. Little spring. Ooh, that's a cool spring. It's one of those anti-tangle springs. I have not seen that in these before. So we'll shim this, get a follower. And it's all stuck, but we should look at it. So there's the key pins. Everybody needed picking. That's, again, the bidding on the key. One, two, three, 4, 5. Whoops, 6 going in the wrong place. All right, there's nothing, it's just a stock core. Nothing happening. Put it in the holder. Those are all good. Now, I did put a little diffuser on the light, but I still haven't got it where I want it. All right, spring, come on. Steel spring. Ooh, with a little mangle on the end. Stuck. I'll grab the springs in a minute. Stuck. And I think these are all the same size. Boom. Boom. And here's our springs. These are all steel springs. Give you a close-up. Come on, you. Playing musical springs and pins. All right. Nothing done to the core, except it got cutaway. That's the cutaway. And here's a close-up on the springs and drivers. So that was a Stock Lock Sunday bonus with the Lishi SC4. There's Mr. Lishi right there. He's cool with his shades on. He's losing his hair, but who isn't? And that's all the little indexes. Pins across the top, depths across up and down. So, thanks for watching. Leave a comment. Still working on my lights. What else? Oh, hit the like. Thanks for watching.